Hello everyone. So how to install isekai app on iPhone. So what is this app? So this app allows you to enjoy conversations with anime characters. Pretty cool idea. So just go to App Store app, tap Get. You need to confirm with your Touch ID or Face ID or just your password, and then the installation process will start. But have in mind that this is like 347 megabytes app, so that's quite a lot of space. So there you have it, and then you just need to wait, and then just tap open. You can add notifications, and then you can just select your character, just confirm it, and that's it. Then you can just start using the app. So hope it's helpful.